Hello everyone, this is Tanuke Shirwani. Today I am going to teach you a very good topic, that is alkaloids, which comes under the uh, chemistry syllabus for the undergraduate students who are going to give uh, their sixth semester or third year. You might also get the assignment on this particular topic. This is a very important topic. So, without wasting more time, I'm going to start this beautiful lecture. I hope you will get the things in a clear fashion. So, firstly, we will talk about the introduction for the alkaloids. The term alkaloids or alkali-like was proposed by pharmacist W. Meissner in 1819 for basic nitrogen-containing compounds of plant origin. So basically, the alkaloids means alkali-like. What is alkali? The alkali word suggests the meaning of basic character. Alkali means basicity. Since the alkaloids contain nitrogen, which is basic in character, so it will act as alkali. Next point, alkaloids are naturally occurring compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and usually oxygen, and are primarily found in plants, especially in certain flowering parts. So friends, basically alkaloids are found in the plants, and these are the naturally occurring compounds which has carbon atom, hydrogen, nitrogen, and in some case oxygen. Generally, alkaloids are defined as physiologically active basic compounds of plant origin in which at least one nitrogen atom forms part of a cyclic system. Plant alkaloids, one of the largest groups of natural products, represent a highly diverse group of chemical entities. Many of these compounds possess potent pharmacological effects. For example, the well-known plant alkaloids include the narcotic analgesics morphine and codeine. Morphine, a derivative of morphine used in Parkinson's disease, the muscle relaxant papaverine, and the antimicrobial agents sanguinarine and berberine. Also, several potent anti-cancer drugs have been developed from plant compounds. I'll also show you the structure of some of the alkaloids. So the first one is brucine. You can see the structure. It has nitrogen, which is responsible for its alkali nature and the basic character. It also has oxygen, oxygen, and oxygen, and oxygen. You can also see the skeleton structure of it. The carbon atoms are present, of course. These are the carbon atoms, and the and the hydrogen is connected with the carbon atom. The second example is caffeine, which is basically found in the coffee. This is caffeine. It has also nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen atom. This is quinine, and the fourth one is febrifuge strychnine. So these are the some of the example from the alkaloids, which are basically found in the plants. And its pharmacological activities are very important, which plays a major role in the medicinal chemistry. It has a vital role in formation of the compounds which are responsible for the prevention of any disease. We will see the pharmacological activities in detail in the next lecture, in the upcoming lecture. So let's move forward. Let's talk about the naturally occurrence. Earlier I mentioned that alkaloids are basically found in plants. So how does we know how do we know about the natural occurrence of it? So we will see the natural occurrence. Alkaloids encompass an enormous class of approximately 12,000 natural products. It's an enormous class, okay? 12,000 natural products means 12,000 natural products are made up of, or you can say alkaloids of one of are one of the component in such natural products distributed throughout in known vascular plants. They are rarely found in lower plants like algae, fungi. So friends, here the vascular plant is mentioned, right? So I will give the description of the vascular plants, that what is it. We will see the definition of the vascular plants. So vascular plants are the plants which has vessels on the outer layer of the stem that transport food materials such as sugars. And this is also a kind of vascular vessel, that is xylem, vessels that transport water throughout the plant. That algae is not example of vascular plant. The vascular plant is basically which has xylem, and throughout the xylem which transport water and the materials. You can see the images and the example, and it is relating with our body part, right? Sorry, body nerves, nerves. And trees, shrubs, grasses, flowering plants, ferns are the example of the vascular uh, plant. So they are rarely found in lower plants like algae and fungi. They are always found in the vascular plants. They are the flowering plants also. Uh, Flowering plants are the example of the vascular plants. So the alkaloids occur in the leaves, seeds, roots and bark of nearly 40 plant species. Alkaloid content of plants varies with the season, age and its locality. Closely related alkaloids generally occur together in the same plant. Example given: nearly 20 alkaloids have been isolated from the opium. It is also generally observed that a given genus of related genera possesses the same or structurally related alkaloids. Example given: 7 different genera of the family Salonexia contain hypsocyamin. Further, simple alkaloids often occur in various different unrelated plants, while the more complicated ones such as quinine, nicotine, colcinin, etc. generally occur in one species. Since alkaloids are basic in nature, it is expected that in plants they exist as salt of plant acids such as acetic, oxalic, citric, malic, lactic, tartaric, tannic acid, etc. Some alkaloids are also found to occur free as glycosides, as amides, or as esters or organic acids. We will discuss the general structure of alkaloids in the next video. Thank you so much for having a very good lesson from this video. I hope you are getting the point. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.